All right, guys, I just want to say that I am sending out the GPS shadow drone. Listen, I'm going to be getting away from these types of quadcopters. I'm not going to be buying any more of these. The problem is that once you get the really good quadcopters like the Mavic Pros and the Phantoms and all this other mumbo jumbo, flying these is like it's bad, man. Okay, it's just like something I don't even want to do anymore. Now, I have quite a few of these types of quadcopters left. Okay, so what I'm going to probably wind up doing is doing last flights on them and then sending them out. I'm sending this out today. I'm not even telling you who I'm sending it to. You'll see it in the future, okay? You'll know who it is eventually. But I still have like the Promark Warrior. It's the same exact thing as this, but with without the GPS. And I still have some of these bigger ones, these bigger brushed motors, quadcopters that I haven't even opened yet, okay? And I already got rid of some of them already, like I sent the X8 to Ray, and that WL Toys thing, I shipped that off the slide ad. So those are the types that I'm not going to be getting anymore. So now, as far as the little ones, now these brushed quadcopters, yeah, I'm still going to get the smaller ones, you know, like the Tellos and the Mambos and the little folding ones and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't have a problem with them. It's just these big lumbering jobs. I'm just not digging these anymore. So it's adios amigo to the shadow drone, okay? So, the guy I'm sending it to, he'll play around with it for a while. Believe me, he'll be giving it away. He'll be sending it off to one of his buddies, okay? These things just aren't that much fun to fly. It's just, these are way more fun to fly, the Mambo, than this thing. You know, because I go out here and fly these quadcopters. I do it for fun. If it's not fun, I don't want to do it, okay? I don't just do it just to make a video. I actually go out to fly the quadcopters to have fun. But when it's not fun, I don't even want to make the video. So, this thing, these types of quads, this is what I would call it the SEMA X8 series. You know, that Phantom look-alike, but with the brush motors. Those, I'm not buying any more of those, even though I still have some left. Not getting any more. So that's all I wanted to say about that. The small ones, yeah, I love these. Because these are great because you can fly these around in the house, okay? When the weather gets crappy like it is today. I think it's about 4 o'clock in the morning, and it's raining, and it's a mess out there. So I won't be able to get out today. I won't be able to take the Mantis out, so that'll be that. That'll be stuck in the house with that thing today. Anyway, so adios amigo to the shadow drone. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.